My name is Aditya Yogesh Gangan. I am from Mumbai, Maharashtra. So my model is used to show repulsive force of magnets. As you know, similar poles of magnets repel each other and opposite poles of magnets attract each other. Magnetic forces such as attraction and repulsion can be used to create motion. My model is made of a fan, paper cup, stick, cylindrical box, small magnets and big magnets. When the bigger magnets with similar poles are brought near to the smaller magnets with similar poles, it causes magnetic repulsion due to which the windmill starts to rotate. When the bigger magnets are oscillated nearer to the smaller magnets, it rotates with a greater speed. Now I will demonstrate this.
Okay. Shall I help you? But it's not rotating, no? It's oscillating in one direction.
Yes, because it is not because the magnets are not moving in one direction. That's why. So if we put greater force, then it will go in rounds, and then it will also go in rounds like
Rounds
this.
only. Okay. Thank you.